Hello everyone. What you're seeing here is our fully automatic copper tube end flaring and tube expanding integrated machine. It can simultaneously perform flaring and tube expansion on multiple tubes in a single working cycle, delivering outstanding production efficiency with only one operator required. Customized to match different product specifications, this machine supports batches of 6, 8 or 12 tubes per run and is capable of processing copper tubes up to 15 meters in maximum length. The machine carries out fully automatic flaring first. Afterwards, clamping jaws secure the tube ends to proceed with tube expansion. Its operating system features quick and straightforward setup. Operators only need to input parameters including center distance between tube holes, row spacing, number of rows and hole count via the touchscreen, and all settings can be generated with one click.